Lovable, there are two different ways that you can edit a project. One is with the default Lovable edit mode, and the other is with chat mode. I'm going to explain what is the best way and reason to use both. First, let's make a usual edit. Let's say I don't like this home page, and let's change it. And I'm not going to give a very specific prompt. I'm literally just going to say, let's make this hero section more beautiful. So now Lovable is going to actually edit the code. You can see it thought for 36 seconds, and you can see all of the code that it wrote. Now if we preview, we can see that it adds this glass morphism effect, which is pretty cool. Now, let's say I don't actually know what I want, and maybe I'm a little confused. That is when it's the best time to do chat mode. Click here on the chat mode, and you can ask questions to Lovable without having to edit the code. So let's say I want to add some animations to my hero sections, but I have no idea how to do that. I can type into the prompt box that I want to add some animations to my hero section. What is the best way to do so? And as you can see now, Lovable will not edit any code. What is going to happen it's going to look through the code that is already inside of your project. It's going to read different files, check different systems, and then it will come up with a plan that is the best way to do what you're wanting. So in this situation, you see it read a few files and analyzed our code and said, okay, here's my current setup. And if you want to add animations, here are some different ways. And then here's what I suggest. Let's add a hero content entry animation where we create a staggered entry animation where your text container fades in and slides up slightly. That sounds pretty cool. After reading this, I'm pretty confident in what Lovable has decided to do. So now I'm going to click the implement the plan button. Now, as you can see, the chat mode button is no longer highlighted and we're back in regular edit mode. And now Lovable is going to edit the code for you. And as you can see, the code is streaming and it's writing the code that we discussed in the previous chat. Chat mode does consume one message the same as edit mode. However, it is really great when you don't know what you want or you're lost and you need to debug. And so now let's see what Lovable does. As you can see, Lovable thought for 1 minute, and let's see the animation. We refresh the page and it kind of zooms in. That's really cool. And that's how you use chat mode versus the regular mode.